Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to replace, update or customize images on your Lovable website, hero images, banners, galleries, backgrounds or buttons, this guide is exactly what you need. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, image editing is visual and simple, but many users struggle with where to click, why images won't change or why changes don't show live. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to change images on your Lovable website in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common images problems you may see, like can't select the image won't replace, old image still shows on live sites, image looks blurry, mobile image looks wrong, or background image doesn't change. So first thing first, open your Lovable website editor, log into your Lovable account, select your website, click edit website or open editor, okay, and make sure you are inside the visual editor, not just preview mode. Okay, so now many users try to edit an image that's on a different page. Okay, so open the pages or navigation panel. Okay, click the page where the image appears, home, about, etc. Okay, so there are many examples here, so let's browse them all. Okay, so always confirm the correct page first. Okay, so Lovable uses direct image selection, so click once on the image gets highlighted, image settings panel appears. If clicking doesn't work, try clicking the section, then the image inside. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.